Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix random freezing and buzzing sounds in Windows 11. A common cause is outdated or corrupted audio drivers. Open the Start menu, search for Device Manager, and open it. Expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers, then right-click your audio device, such as Realtek Audio or NVIDIA High Definition Audio, and choose Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers and let Windows check for an update. If no new driver is found, visit your motherboard or laptop manufacturer's website and download the latest audio driver for your model. Next, update your graphics driver. Old or damaged GPU drivers can cause system freezes and crashes. Visit the official NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel website, download the newest driver for your graphics card, and choose the Clean Installation option if it is available. This removes old driver files before installing the new version. If the problem continues, repair Windows system files. Search for CMD in the Windows search, right-click Command Prompt, and choose Run as administrator. First, type dsm/online/cleanupimage/restore health and press Enter. Wait until the process finishes. Then type sfc/scano and press Enter. This will scan Windows for corrupted system files and automatically repair them when possible. When both scans are complete, restart your computer. After the restart, check if the issue has been resolved. Thanks for watching.